Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove account action required. Open the browser in your cell phone. Now type Facebook Help Center. The first link that you see here, Facebook Help Center, tap on it. Now once you're in the Help Center, you need to find a solution for your problem. And what better way than searching for it? I'm going to search account disabled. Now go to the first option which says my personal Facebook account has been disabled. Now scroll down and you will find a form link in which you can report this problem to Facebook. And hopefully Facebook is going to reach out to you and resolve your problem. Just fill in all the details and submit your request. And that's it. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.